What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here, we have the CT5-V and the CT4-V out today. And as you can see, it is snowing a little bit and there is some snow on the ground. So we thought it would be an amazing time to make a video on how these cars are in the snow in the winter time. So let's get into it. All right, so as you guys know, these cars are both all-wheel drive because they are just the V series. And this all-wheel drive is a little bit different. If you guys do have a CT4-V and a CT5-V, you'll know what I'm saying. And it's basically on how they are rear wheel drive bias. So as you're driving, the rear wheels are definitely kicking in more than the front. So it is mostly, like on dry days, it'll be mostly a rear wheel drive car. But in the winter, when you are in that snow, that deeper snow, and the rear wheel drives are spinning out a little bit, and I've had it happen where they start spinning a little bit too much, you'll feel kind of the front wheel drives, like it'll send more power to the front wheel drives, they'll kick in, and then that's where the all-wheel drive system comes in. And it functions quite well, to be honest. Like, you still get amazing traction. And another thing to note is make sure you have good winter tires. So on both, like I have just Kumo Wintercrafts, and honestly, these tires will do the job. Obviously, they're not the best you can buy, but these tires will do the job in the winter. I did have Blizzaks on my other cars, and they have done really well as well. But yeah, so basically, the rear-wheel drive bias is definitely better in the summer because you can have more fun with the car. It's almost like obviously, it's not a full rear-wheel drive car, but again, when it comes to winter, that all-wheel drive is huge. And like I said, it does work the same on both of our cars. Let's just take a minute and admire those carbon fiber mirror caps on our CT5-V. They make such a huge difference. And you can see, like, it's not even sunny out. It is literally just a cloudy day, snowy day. And you can still see that carbon fiber. It looks amazing. But yeah, let's get back into it. So as I was saying, these cars are very good for the winter. If you guys are looking for a CT4-V or CT5-V, we would highly recommend you getting one, and get the all-wheel drive, obviously, because it will help you in the winter. And now the Blackwings don't come in all-wheel drive, but definitely get one of these. These cars are both pretty much fully loaded for the V series, so you will get your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and a big thing is you'll get the remote start on the key fob. So you'll see, like any normal key fob, look at that V logo, but you'll get the remote start right there, which is huge. Honestly as well, like, we've had no issues, like I mentioned before, with the CT5-V or the CT4-V. They are just absolute beasts in the snow. And also, what other all-wheel drive cars can you get that look, you know, this exotic? Like, these cars get so much attention because just a lot of people just don't know what they are, or they've just heard of a Blackwing and that's where they get it from. But you can get an all-wheel drive car that, you know, looks this good. How could you not opt for it? That will wrap it up for the video. I just wanted to overview kind of some of the key things that these cars have. And honestly, for a winter car and a daily driver, you can't really get much better. These cars have all the options, all the safety features, and you have your winter tires. So if you are looking for a daily driver and you're in Canada or somewhere else that gets a lot of snow, and you'd want to opt for one of these cars. And again, we've had no issues, but that will wrap it up. If you guys did like the video, drop a like. Also comment down below on if you have one of these cars, or if you're in the market for one. I would highly recommend getting one because they are perfect in the winter. But that will be everything. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.